designed with innovative whisper-quiet Peltier technology. With no compressor or moving parts. This hysure dehumidifier is compact but big on functionality. The appliance efficiently and hygienically extracts the extra moisture at 30 degrees Celsius. RH 80% relative humidity. This unit is small enough to easily fit on your desk or workbench. It extracts the moisture from the air and stores it in a leak-proof reservoir. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dehumidifying capacity. The maximum capacity of the water tank of the Afloia portable dehumidifier is 2 milliliters. Daily dehumidify 300 plus 50 milliliters. In a humid environment of 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 80% RH. Number 2. One-button control. One-touch switch design helps you easily operate the unit. Number 3. Auto-off indicator. When the water tank is full, it will shut off automatically and the yellow LED will on to remind you of removing the water out of the tank. Number 4. Ultra quiet. Designed with innovative safe whisper quiet Peltier technology. The noise is less than 35 dB, so you can run it the whole day. Number 5. Energy saving. With a power of only 23 watts per hour, which means that only 0.55 kW of electricity is consumed after 24 hours of operation. Afloia dehumidifier is ideal for being environmentally friendly. Number 6. Compact and portable. Dehumidifier size 6.41 by 4.21 by 10.51 inches in weight. Suitable for a room of 2,200 cubic feet. Suitable for bedroom, caravan, wardrobe, shoe cabinet, kitchen, bathroom. Number 7. Perfect after-sales service. 30 days money-back or exchange guarantee. 24 months warranty with a professional customer service team to provide friendly and fast support. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.